Back with Outre Swoop 7.
Fuck is going motherfucking on.
Turn the lights on. One bottle, 4 hands, 2 bodies, and 3 orgasms. 2 for you, 1 for me. That's all I need.
She came twice, I came last.
4 hands, 2 bodies, 3 orgasms.
She came twice, I came last.
Numbers don't lie.
So what's up? What's up? I am back with another video. Outre Swoop 7 from their Perfect Hairline Swoop series. So this is in the color, oh my goodness, I can't even remember it. Oh, DRFF AMSS. So this is from their Perfect Hairline collection. This is what it looks like coming out of the box. It also has extra lace so that you can finesse your baby hairs. It is HD, fully hand-tied, 13x4 frontal. Okay, so you do have the 13x4. I'm sorry I didn't show you the inside of the cap or the cap construction, but I had to go. But I wanted to show y'all what I did with this unit. It did come a little bit bigger, so I had to finesse it a little bit better, but that's completely okay as well. It does also have the pre-attached wide elastic band for glueless installs. I suggest gluing it down if you have a smaller head. So here I am gluing the hair down because I need it to last a little bit longer. Plus I was doing this when it was hot, so I wanted to make sure that that joint stuck. It was, you know, like about 80-90 degrees where I am, so I wanted to make sure my unit stayed on. I do not add the baby hairs, even though it came with the swoop idea, so it gave me a lot of HD lace. But that's okay, because you can just cut some of that off and you will still have a nice install. It says it's pre-plucked. I did not pluck it myself. So all I did was take my hot comb to it and bam, I was ready to go and install. As you can see, that's what it looks like afterwards. And now we're just gonna go ahead and continue with the install. The install is pretty self-explanatory, so I probably won't be talking as much. I will let y'all sit back and watch the install. I do want to thank all of my subscribers, everyone who's subscribed, watched, commented, anything, because I have been going through a journey of my own and I really appreciate y'all. Rebranding yourself takes some time, so thank you again for all your patience and all your support. I just want to thank y'all. And if you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe, okay? If you like videos like this, join, okay? So I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and watch, and then I'm gonna come back and explain anywhere I feel like I need to explain for y'all. Okay. Okay, so I wanted to tell y'all, like, all together I did about 4 layers of glue. I did the 2 in the beginning, and then I'm going through and separating my lace in 3 parts, and then on each 3 part that each part of the 3 that I tack down, I make sure that I'm using 2 more layers, just so that I get a good fit. Now, the reason why I cut it in 3 parts and I'm doing it like this is because the unit came a little big. Even though it had an elastic band and it fits snug, it was still big. So do very, very, very thin layers. Make sure that you're letting them dry with a blow dryer, and then since the unit was big, as you can see, I'm cutting into the hair, so that's why I'm using a razor, because I want that definite line so that it'll give it a more natural look. And as you can see, that line is coming together, the hairline is coming together. Okay, so for some reason the line of demarcation was not coming out. As you can see, you can still see the line where my lace and the glue is, if that makes sense. Like, so that's why I'm going through with the hot comb, and I'm going through with makeup, making sure that like that line of demarcation is gone. And so I'm just gonna tie it down, and then I'm gonna style it. So all I did to style it was put some conditioner and water in a spray bottle. I like those spray mist bottles that they have. I got them off Amazon, but they really get your hair wet when you're doing a curly style, so that's really good. So I'm just using conditioner and water and running it through the hair, just so I can get that wet curly look. So now I'm just going through with mousse on my hands and styling like that butterfly effect or part that I want, like those, you know, those little humps, whatever. But that's what I'm going for with this hair, like the butterfly effect at the top. So yeah, this is what it ends up looking like. I also was able to wear her up, as you can see. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.
Hands to bodies, reorganize.
I came twice, I came